Hey mathematicians, this is your guided practice for area model multiplication. We're going to do two 4x1 examples and two 2x2 examples. I'm going to be doing one on these math mats and one on a blank line sheet of paper. So let's go ahead and start with these math mats that were given. So if I'm multiplying 2,371 times 9, I'm multiplying a 1, 2, 3, 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. So I need to take these factors and put them into expanded form. So this 2,370 and 1. So I have my expanded form, and then 9 is just 9. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 9 and I'm going to multiply it by each of these values to get my partial products. So 9 times 1 gives me 9. 9 times 70, well, I know if I'm multiplying by a multiple of 10, it's going to end in 0, so I can go ahead and bring that 0 on down. 9 times 7 is 63. Same thing with my multiples of 100. I can bring those zeros on down. 9 times 3, 9, 18, 27. And same thing with my multiples of 1,000. Go ahead and bring those zeros down. 9 times 2 is 18. So I have 18,000, 2,700, 630, and 9. I'm actually gonna move this one out just a little bit to give us some room. And now we're going to add our place values. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 gives me 9. 0 plus 0 plus 3 gives me 3. 0 plus 7 plus 6 will give me 13. Regroup that 10. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. Regroup that 10. 1 plus 1 is 2 for a total product of 21,339. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save this one to do on paper. I want to show you how to do this with a 2-digit number before we move on. So I'm going to again expand these numbers out. So if I have a 2-digit, I should have 2 boxes, 2 rows, and then 2 columns. So I'm going to do 20 plus 5 and 90 plus 8. So now that I've expanded those out, I can go ahead and multiply. So I can bring in this 0 from the 90, and then 9 times 5 is 45. 5 times 8 is 40. Now I've multiplied the 5 by both of my factors. And then 20 times 90, I can bring in a 0 from the 90, a 0 from the 20. 2 times 9 is 18. 20 times 8, I can bring in that 0 from the 20. 2 times 8 is 16. Now I'm going to transfer my partial products so I can add them. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 5 plus 6 is 11. Plus 4 is 15. Regroup that 10. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 1 is 14. Regroup the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 for a product of 2,450. For our next examples, I want to show you how to set up your own area model using blank lined paper. So I'm multiplying 6 times 3,465. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So when I'm using area model, I know that I'm going to need to expand my number out. I need expanded form. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first before I draw my area model. So I'm going to do 3,000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 5. So then I can go ahead and underline that. And now I'm going to want to do, if I'm doing 1 digit, I'm going to give myself 2 spaces. So I'm going to give myself an extra space depending on how many digits I have. So if I have 1 digit, I'm going to give myself 2 spaces. 2 digits, I'm going to give myself 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits, I'm going to give myself 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. And 4 digits, I'm going to give myself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. And I can go ahead and finish that rectangle, and I'm going to multiply everything by 6. So 5 times 6 will give me 30. Go ahead and drop that 0 down. 6 times 6 is 36. I'm going to drop 2 zeros down from the 400. 6 times 4 is 24. And drop 1, 2, 3 zeros down. 6 times 3 is 18. Now I can take these partial products. I'm going to add them together to get a total product. So 18,000 plus 2,400, 360, and 30. I'm going to add those all together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 6 plus 3 equals 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. I'm going to regroup that 10. 1 plus 1 is 2 for a total product of 20,790. Now let's look at what this looks like with a 2 by 2 digit number. So I'm multiplying a 2-digit number times a 2-digit number. So I'm going to do 71 times 42. So with a 2-digit by 2-digit number, I just like to give myself three columns per digit. So I know I'm going to need 70 plus 1 and then 40 plus 2. So I'm going to need 2 columns and 2 rows. So now I'm going to multiply 1 times 40, which will give me 40. 1 times 2, which will give me 2. I'm done with the 1. Now 70 times 40, I'm going to bring in that 0 from the 40 and the 0 from the 70. 4 times 7 is 28. And then 70 times 2, I'm going to bring down that 0 from the 70. 7 times 2 is 14. Now I'll take these partial products, pull them out, and add them together. So 2,800, 140, 40, and 2. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus nothing is 2 for a total product of 2,982.